Get into a car with value. 2020 Hyundai Santa Fe. With less than 35,000 miles on the... Here's a stylish, family-friendly Hyundai Santa Fe. With bold, modern looks, standard infotainment, and the latest safety features. This spacious, versatile midsize crossover infuses every drive with comfort and confidence. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, lane keeping assist, fog lamps, power liftgate, aluminum wheels, electronic stability control, Bluetooth connection, rear spoiler, 8-speed AT, traction control. Comfort blends with versatility in bold, modern style in this striking Santa Fe. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.